I already melted my oil. This is a combination of shea butter and cocoa butter and olive oil and coconut in palm and sunflower as well. Let's start with my lye. So I want to put my lye, and I always sieve it because I don't like the unwanted like that. As you can see, I don't like that white things. Okay. And I mix the orange juice. I like to put my orange juice as well because I want that one to incorporate nicely. And I just want to mix this one a little bit like that, just like that. For now, just to mix. And I like to add this is an carrot puree. I like to add it immediately so they can all be mixed nicely. And I like to add 1 teaspoon only of this powder. That is to give an exfoliation. Mix it. I now add my sweet orange, as you can see. Okay, so this is now, it's really smell fantastic. I think I can trim that. Yeah, my roaster make too much noise. Okay. Okay. Let me see. How is nice is that? I like the simplicity. Beautiful. I like the natural looks of the soap. So yeah, you can see it's all perfect. Very nice. So this soap is, I made it specialized for whitening and deep cleansing. As we know, the orange, it has a little bit astringent, so it means it will clean nicely and will renew the skin. And also the carrot, it has a very good effect on the skin. Is high, these two combination is high in antioxidant. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I love the natural making soap. So I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.